It's October the 19th, and here are the best Amazon deals that expired today in the electronics section. Definitely grab them while supplies last. To grab these deals and more, just go over to my website located on my profile, and then you'll just find the deal, and then you will click or tap on the copy button of the coupon code. Then you will click or tap on the image, which will take you over to the Amazon app. There, you will paste the code on the checkout page, and then you'll be able to save money. First, we have an espresso machine. Starting price is $299.99. Add the coupon, and your total will be $105. Next, we have a small bathroom trash can. This trash can is cool because the lid opens up once you hover your hand over it. Starting price is $26.99. Add the coupon, and it is $18.89. Next, we have a 10 pack of 16 gig USB flash drives. Starting price is $22.94. Add the coupon, and it is $11.47. Next, we have an adult size 4K drone. Starting price is $299.99. Add the coupon, and it is just $60. Next, we have a wallet case for your phone. Now, the one that I have here is for the S23 Ultra, but they do also have it available for the Z Fold 5 and also the iPhone 14 line. It does come in many colors. Starting price is $29.99. Add the coupon, it's $7.50. Next, we have an electric pressure washer. Starting price is $222.99. Clip the coupon on the product page and then stack the coupon that I provide for you. Total price is going to be $91.49. Next, we have a waist belt heat pad. It does come with three different types of heating levels and three different vibration levels. Starting price is $16.99. Add the coupon, and it is $6.80. Next, we have a photo booth machine. Starting price is $1,599. Add the coupon at checkout, and it is $639.60. Next, we have a 4K action camera. Starting price is $109.99. Add the coupon at checkout, and it is $44. We have a 2 pack of LED black lights, great for parties. And then starting price is $49.99. Clip the coupon on the product page and then stack the coupon that I provide for you. And the total price is going to be $24.99. Again, all of these deals expire today, so go over to my website and grab them while you can. All right, you guys have a wonderful day and happy shopping.